Today on Inside Production, we go from the farm to the fryer, exploring how chicken nuggets are made from fresh chickens to golden, crispy delights.
Regular inspections maintain the quality of chicken entering the production line. Humane handling begins the transformation from chicken to nugget. Humane handling begins the transformation from chicken to nugget. Sanitation and precision are key in preparing chicken for nuggets.
Sanitation and precision are key in preparing chicken for nuggets.
Deboning ensures tender meat for nugget production.
Deboning ensures tender meat for nugget production.
Automation increases efficiency while maintaining quality chicken cuts.
Mincing transforms chicken into the perfect texture for nuggets.
Mincing transforms chicken into the perfect texture for nuggets. Proper mixing ensures even flavor and texture throughout every nugget. Proper mixing ensures even flavor and texture throughout every nugget.
Breading gives nuggets their signature crunch and golden color.
Breading gives nuggets their signature crunch and golden color.
Pre-frying partially cooks the nuggets, locking in flavor.
Precision cooking ensures nuggets are safe and perfectly textured.
Precision cooking ensures nuggets are safe and perfectly textured. Draining ensures nuggets are crispy, not greasy.
Cooling preserves texture before freezing.
Cooling preserves texture before freezing. Consistent portioning guarantees uniform packs for sale.
Quality control ensures every pack meets standards.
Quality control ensures every pack meets standards.
Cold storage preserves nuggets until distribution. Cold storage preserves nuggets until distribution. Tracking ensures product quality and traceability. Tracking ensures product quality and traceability. Restaurants prepare frozen nuggets to final golden perfection.
Golden, crispy nuggets are achieved through precise frying. Golden, crispy nuggets are achieved through precise frying.
Nuggets are ready to be enjoyed by customers worldwide.
Nuggets are ready to be enjoyed by customers worldwide.
Did you try the new barbecue yet?
Not yet, but it smells great.
From farm to fryer, production is carefully orchestrated.
From farm to fryer, production is carefully orchestrated.
Careful handling maintains nugget quality. Careful handling maintains nugget quality. Distribution connects factory production to consumers.
Distribution connects factory production to consumers. From the farm to your fryer, chicken nuggets are careful crafted every step of the way. Subscribe to Inside Production for more behind-the-scenes journeys. From the farm to your fryer, chicken nuggets are carefully crafted every step of the way. Subscribe to Inside Production for more behind-the-scenes journeys.